We heard about problems with Passats and water getting into the inside of the car, and there's something about a couple of drain plugs that allows the build-up of water. So we've been looking for them, and so far this is what we've seen. If you can see down there, there's all water built up. Take the battery out. Once the battery is removed, you can see the amount of water that's in there.
Sorry, rough it a bit.
Yeah. As you can see, the battery tray out. So at first look, it's those two bolts at the bottom there. There's also a bolt at the front of the plate. Just lift the plate out. Right. We'll now
what you'll find is there's the plug.
There's the plug down at the bottom.
I've got a screwdriver. Just get ready.
So this, apparently this plug down here gets stuck with water.
Let's keep the camera going now. And this should all shoot out, right?
You got it?
Show underneath as well. Go on.
Where?
Under the car.
Push it out. It'll come under there, I think.
Right, just switch off a minute and I'll see if I can find it.
That was the first. Where is it? There's the first one. First one down there that we did, and there's another one a bit left underneath the master cylinder. I'll try with the lights, see if I can get some light on it.
See where the screwdriver's touching? Can you see that through there?
No, I could see it before. This is just
there's the screwdriver's in it if you want to.
Yeah, so there's just another one there underneath the master cylinder.
So just
the screwdriver's in there. And the other two, apparently they get blocked. So those are now cleared out, so it's just a case of reassembling the and putting the battery back in the same way that you took it out. I hope this helps you. Just in case you need to know how the battery is fitted in place, here's the clamp, and that just screws down after the battery goes into the lip that side, so it just bolts in. There's that bolt hole there.